Giant dinosaurs? You're digging for giant dinosaurs? Did you find any?
Yeah. I found a dinosaur bone.
Whoa. What kind of dinosaur was it from? Wow. That's a huge dinosaur bone. Is it from a Stegosaurus?
No.
Is it from a Triceratops?
No.
Is it from a Brontosaurus?
No.
Is it from a Tyrannosaurus Rex?
Yeah.
Whoa. That's super cool.
It's the biggest one I've ever seen.
Wow.
Now Grader is going to teach you his job.
All right. Let's meet Grader.
Hi kids, I'm Grader.
Hi, Grader. What do you do?
I grade and smooth out the ground.
Oh. What tool do you use to do that?
A blade.
Wow. What does it look like?
A grading blade.
A grading blade. Does it have teeth on it?
No.
No?
Only steamroller.
Oh.
Which steamroller? He's the one I know.
Oh, okay. He's your buddy?
Hi kids, I'm steamroller.
Hi, Steamroller. What do you do?
I roll it back down the ground.
Yeah? Are you...
The floor excavator's gonna teach you his job.
All right.
Mommy, the big butt excavator all the time. And it can pull out dirt to get off the dinosaur bone.
Whoa. So are all of you guys friends? The excavator and the steamroller and the grader? You guys all work together?
Bulldozer
And the bulldozer?
is gonna teach you his job.
Let's hear it.
A bulldozer.
Oh, hi, bulldozer. What's your job?
I do all this dirt.
Whoa.
And to go and see truck crane.
Oh, truck crane.